Good day. Welcome again to our next PHP tutorial. Today, we will discuss PHP manipulation functions, including string manipulation functions, numerical manipulation functions, and array manipulation functions. Let us begin by first understanding the general concept of PHP manipulation functions. In PHP, manipulation methods generally refer to functions or techniques used to modify, analyze, or process data, especially strings, arrays, or numbers. And when people say PHP manipulation methods, they usually mean string manipulation, array manipulation, and number manipulation. Let us begin with string function manipulation, specifically basic string functions. A string manipulation method is a function or technique used to modify, analyze, or process text data, strings, in PHP, where strings are sequences of characters, letters, numbers, symbols, and these methods allow operations such as changing case, extracting parts of a string, replacing text, counting characters or words, and splitting or joining strings. The following are different types of string manipulation functions. Let us explain and analyze how these functions work based on the given program and examples. strlen returns the length of a string. str_count counts the number of words in a string. strrev reverses a string. strpose finds the position of the first occurrence of a substring. strrepose finds the position of the last occurrence of a substring. Trim removes whitespace from both ends of a string, and itrim removes whitespace from the left side. Next, rtrim removes whitespace from the right side. str to lower converts a string to lowercase. str to upper converts a string to uppercase. Uke first capitalizes the first character of a string. Elk first converts the first character of a string to lowercase. And ukewords capitalizes the first character of each word. Another one is string replacement and substring functions, which include str_replace that replaces all occurrences of a substring with another, str_ireplace as the case-insensitive version of str_replace. Sub-str that returns a part of a string starting at $start with an optional $length. Sub-str_replace that replaces a portion of a string with another string. stristr as the case-insensitive version of strstr. And strchr as an alias of strstr that returns the rest of the string from the first occurrence. Next is searching strings, which includes strstr that finds the first occurrence of a substring and returns the rest of the string. stristr as the case-insensitive version of strstr. strpbkr that searches a string for any of a set of characters. str_split that splits a string into an array of smaller strings. Explode that splits a string into an array using a delimiter, and implode that joins array elements into a string using a glue string. Next are string comparison functions, including strcmp, which compares two strings case-sensitively and returns 0 if equal, less than 0 if $str1 less than $str2, and greater than 0 if $str1 greater than $str2. strcmp, which compares two strings case-insensitively and returns 0 if equal. strncmp, which compares the first $length characters of two strings case-sensitively. And stringcasecmp, which compares the first $length characters of two strings case-insensitively. Other useful PHP string functions include add slashes, which adds backslashes before quotes, strip slashes, which removes backslashes, HTML special chars, which converts special characters to HTML entities, HTML which converts all applicable characters to HTML entities, chr, which returns a character from an ASCII value, or which returns the ASCII value of a character, MD5, which returns the MD5 hash of a string, SHA1, which returns the SHA1 hash of a string, str_shuffle, which randomly shuffles a string, bin2hex, which generates a secure random hexadecimal string, and unicode, which generates a unique string based on time. And now, let us proceed to the next PHP manipulation, which is PHP numerical manipulation methods, where a numerical method refers to functions and techniques used to manipulate or perform operations on numbers, allowing you to perform calculations, formatting, rounding, random number generation, and other numeric tasks. Here are the basic arithmetic and number functions. Abs returns the absolute value of a number. Round rounds a number to the specified number of decimal places. Ceil rounds a number up to the nearest integer. Floor rounds a number down to the nearest integer. Pow raises a number to a power. Sqrt returns the square root of a number. Indiv performs integer division, returns the whole number only. And fmod returns the remainder of a division. Next is random and formatting numbers, including rand, which generates a random number between a minimum and maximum, mt_rand, which generates a faster and better random number using the Mersenne twister algorithm, and number_format, which formats a number with group thousands and decimal points. Next, the PHP manipulation function is array manipulation functions, and the following are the array manipulation functions. Count returns the number of elements in an array_push, adds one or more elements to the end of an array_pop, removes the last element from an array_shift, removes the first element from an array_shift, adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array_merge, combines two or more arrays. Another set of array manipulation functions includes array_slice, which extracts a portion of an array_splice, which removes or replaces a portion of an array, sort, which sorts an array in ascending order, resort, which sorts an array in descending order, assort, which sorts an associative array by value in ascending order, sort, which sorts an associative array by key in ascending order. Array__ exists, which checks if a key exists in an array, in_array, which checks if a value exists in an array, and array_search, which returns the key of a value in an array. Okay, so let us proceed to the actual demonstration. Please watch the video I have prepared. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something new about our topic. Once again, thank you, and have a wonderful day.